Welcome to our guide on the best forage plants for bees. In this video, we'll explore various plants that attract and support bees, providing them with essential nectar and pollen. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants will help create a vibrant, buzzing garden.
Meet lavender. Bees love its abundant nectar. Lavender blooms from late spring to early summer, producing light, floral honey.
Next up, sunflower. Its large, pollen-rich blooms attract bees during midsummer, and it gives a mild, nutty honey.
Here's borage. It produces nectar continuously from late spring to early fall, offering a mild, cucumber-like honey.
Check out clover. It's rich in nectar and pollen, blooming from spring through fall, and makes light, sweet honey.
Say hello to rosemary. It provides nectar during winter to spring, resulting in strong, herbal honey.
Marjoram is next. Bees flock to its plentiful nectar in summer, creating mild, sweet honey.
Then there's sage. It blooms from late spring to early summer, offering strong, distinct honey and attracting a variety of pollinators.
Meet black-eyed Susan. Bees love its nectar in summer and fall, producing light, sweet honey.
Goldenrod is a favorite. It blooms in late summer, providing rich nectar and making strong, spicy honey.
Blueberry bushes are up. They bloom in spring, providing nectar for fruity honey and attracting both bees and other beneficial insects.
Say hello to thyme. It blooms from spring to summer, creating strong, herbal honey.
Check out hyssop. Bees are drawn to its rich nectar from summer to early fall, producing mildly minty honey.
Here's bee balm, also known as wild bergamot. It's a big hit with bees from midsummer to early fall, making strong, spicy honey.
Meet buckwheat. It blooms in summer, offering abundant nectar, and results in dark, rich honey with a molasses flavor.
Say hello to eucalyptus. It blooms in winter, providing nectar for bold, medicinal honey and attracting bees and other beneficial insects.
Check out purple coneflower. It blooms from summer to early fall, creating mild, slightly floral honey.
Next up, basil. It produces nectar from midsummer to early fall, resulting in sweet, herb-flavored honey.
Here's oregano. It blooms in summer, providing nectar for robust, herbal honey.
And finally, mint. It blooms from summer to early fall, making strong, minty honey.
Thanks for watching. By planting these bee-friendly forage plants, you're making a big difference for our essential pollinators. For more tips on creating a thriving garden and supporting bees, visit our website or subscribe for more updates. Happy gardening!